Listen, I live for a good saving challenge, you know? It just gets you in the mood to save your coins, save your money, stack your papers, and all of that good stuff. Hey friends, hey, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, my name is Symone, your new favorite cash stuffer. If you're not new to the channel, then it is just your favorite cash stuffer. And today we are here to do our saving challenge. Yay! I am so excited to be sharing my saving challenges with you all. I hope you guys enjoy. This is from my budgeting book, my new budgeting book, coming very soon. I will be launching this, okay? This is coming soon, so keep an eye out for it. And if you haven't seen the book in detail, go and check my last, I think, two videos ago. Yeah, I do a little bit of a walkthrough so you could see the whole thing. Let's just jump right into it. The wind is very windy outside. It's windy. It is a windy day today, but we're gonna get through it, okay? So I have my emergency fund that I'm trying to build up. I think I want to get to add $1,000 to my emergency fund. This more or less adds up to $1,000, give or take. Each icon is worth $20. And for today, y'all, the door just knocked. I think that's my Amazon package. Let me go grab it. So it was my Amazon package. It's nothing really exciting. It is just ink. I needed to get ink and loads of ink so that I'm able to make more of these books. Anyways, back to our regular schedule program. Emergency is going to be getting $20 today. Next up, I have my 1 month ahead, which this one is so top priority, and I really want to get this one fully funded, okay? Hopefully before the year end. I'm trying to just complete it as soon as possible because I really want to get 1 month ahead on all my bills. So that one is getting $125. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, and then we're going to do 20 and 5. So 125 going into my 1 month ahead. Next up, I have the Heart of Savings, and that one will be getting $15. Rainy Day is not getting stuffed today. My $5 challenge will get its first $5. And then my 10 will get its first 10. 31 days of savings will get 10. And then my 52 weeks, which is the last one that I'll be stuffing for today, is going to get 15. So that is it for the saving challenge. Let's just go back to the book because maybe we could kind of get in there and color off the trackers. Okay. So we added 20 to emergency. So let's just go ahead and color that one off. We could color in one of the icons. So that is it. And I wish I had, is this yellow? I think so. Yeah, this is yellow. And if you're asking, why am I asking if it's yellow? Because it kind of gives a little bit of an orangey kind of color. To my eyes anyways. Okay, so the Heart of Savings got its first 15. So we're gonna go ahead and color off one of the hearts, or one of the heart. And don't know if that's perfect, but it's good enough. Then I did 1 month ahead, and that one got 125. And I think what I'm trying to get to is 4,000 and something. I forgot what my total 1 month ahead is, but it's about 4,000 and change. Okay, rainy day, I didn't stuff. My $5 got its first 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color in one of the little piggies. And then I guess I could color the coin. What's a coin? Coins are yellow. Okay. And then I'm going to start the seasonal challenge. I feel like winter is kind of over. Not here in Canada officially, but I'm gonna start when it is spring, as opposed to starting on my winter challenge right now. Okay, so my $10 got a 10. And I'm just trying to add something, you know? Something to get things started, to get the wheels kind of moving. And then 31 days, I put 15, so 1, 2, I think all these 4 numbers, and I think that's why I did the little mark right there. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so 10. I added $10 to it, so we can color up to here for the 31 days of savings. And then the last one is the 52 weeks. So I added $15 to it. So let's see, I think I stopped right here, but let's just do it, the math. Let me just move this over. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, so 15. Where is my pen? Okay, so we added all the way up to 5. And that equals $15 so far. And we're gonna leave it there. So the first week we had $1, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. And then the 10 plus the 5 is 15. So that is it for coloring off on our tracker. That is it for today's saving challenge. Hope you guys really enjoyed, and I hope you guys are doing good on your saving challenges, and I can't wait to add. The more I complete challenges, the more I will be able to add. I'm not going to do what I did last year, which was just trying to save a whole bunch and spreading myself thin. This year I'm going to be super intentional so I could kind of get stuff done. Okay, so that is it for today's challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that my content can get pushed out to people that are really interested in the content and they are able to find this kind of stuff, cash stuff in, financing, and all of that good stuff. All right, until next time, bye y'all.